Good afternoon, mates and tutor. My name is Lilia Mayerly Martinez, and I'm going to present you the activity. Well, the method did not receive the new of the bill logo, and list slogan belong to a place. Mistrust of users about the service was generated that the many people knew that they gave their point about the new logo of the company, and that is the consequence. And the cause is in the media linked below with sexual interpretations, and if customers were looking for a place to rest or a cheap place. Thank you for your attention and good night.